Hi everyone, welcome to ESL Express and I am Miss Alia. So our topic today is the solar system. Now what is a solar system? It is made up of the sun, planets and other objects that move or revolve around the sun. Now let's look at these objects. So the first one, we have the mighty and powerful sun. What is the sun? It is a large star that gives light and heat to Earth. Now remember, the sun is also the biggest object in the solar system. Now let's look at all the eight planets that we have in the solar system. So there are, the first one we have Mercury. So Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and it is also the smallest planet. After Mercury, we have Venus. Now Venus is not the closest to the sun, but it is the hottest planet in the solar system. Now the third planet, we all live on this planet. It's called Earth. Now Earth is the only planet that has living things on it. Now the fourth planet after Earth is called Mars. Mars is also known as a red planet and it also has landscapes similar to our Earth. Let's go to the fifth planet. The fifth planet is called Jupiter. Jupiter is also the largest planet in the solar system. After Jupiter, we have Saturn. Saturn has really nice beautiful rings around it. After Saturn is Uranus. Uranus is special because it somehow spins on its side. And the last planet, which is the eighth planet, is called Neptune. Neptune is also the coldest planet in the solar system. Now let's repeat all the eight planets that you have just learned. The first one is Mercury. Second one is Venus. The third one is Earth. Fourth, Mars. And then Jupiter. After Jupiter, we have Saturn. And the next one is Uranus. And the coldest planet, which is the farthest planet from the sun, is called Neptune. Very good. Now let's look at the other objects in the solar system. So we also have dwarf planets. What are dwarf planets? Dwarf planets are small planets. They are too small to even be considered a planet. And then we have asteroids. What are asteroids? Asteroids are many rocks that's circling the sun. And if you can see here, this is called asteroid belt. So an asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. Now the next one we can see here are meteoroids. Meteoroids are small objects that become meteors when they enter our atmosphere. What are meteors? Meteors are rocks that produce bright light that burn up in the sky. And then let's look at these beautiful blue. These are comets. They are made of rock and ice. You can also see them as a bright line from Earth if you're lucky. So let's repeat all these objects that we can find in the solar system. We can find the sun, which is a large star that gives us heat and light. And then we have the eight planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And then we have all these other objects in the solar system, which are asteroids. And then you have asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. You have comets, meteors, and meteoroids. Now that's all for our ESL Express today. Stay tuned for the next video, guys.